everyone, I'm Chris Thomas, and this is Land Flipping 101, where you can learn how to earn your financial freedom through land investing, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see a couple more questions popped up. What type of credit, Jason asks. Jason, thank you for the question. What line of credit do you have set up for such short transaction periods at your closing? And what does a line of credit provider like that typically charge? I mean, that's a great question, Jason. In my case, I own a home, and so I have some equity built up in my home. So what I did is I just went to my local bank. I did compare prices, but I went to my local bank and asked for a line of credit against my home. And so I can tap into that, and I don't have to get it approved. I can use the line of credit for anything that I choose. And I like it that way because I don't like going through a lot of red tape, answering a bunch of questions. You know, just easier for me. I'm in more control. Not everyone has that. If you're starting with smaller deals, you can use a credit card. I mean, it's a higher interest rate. Oh, you asked about that. So my first year interest rate was like 1%. And then my second year interest rate went up from there to like, I don't know, 5%, but you can move it around. You know, you can negotiate that. So I think this year I'm at 4 or 5% on my credit line. But I mean, it doesn't cost me very much because I'm only borrowing the money for a day, if anything. Hi, Jeremy Harlow. Hey, Chris. As for purchasing the properties, you mentioned you self-fund when buying and use line of credit to close during a double close. Okay, so that's really a simultaneous close that I was describing. I don't typically do a double close because I don't like for the end buyer to see how much I'm purchasing the property for from the seller. I just don't want them to know how much I'm making, because in some cases it's more than what I'm buying it for. Because my minimum requirement in my deals is 100% ROI, and most of the time I go over that, like I did on this one this month that I'm going to be doing. Thanks for all the good questions, y'all. Oh, Aaron, I see your message about the program that ends tonight. Aaron, for a few people, I'm just doing a small group mentoring where you can meet with me once a week in a Zoom along with about 10 other people. And we're going to walk you through, we're going to open up the books of like how we run. I have a team, so how our team runs our land investing business. And it's just opened through tonight. So we're going to close it at midnight tonight. All right, let's see. Thanks, Sam. Andy, is it a HELOC? Yes, that is a HELOC. My line of credit is a home equity line of credit. So that's what you would ask your bank for. All right, looks like I've answered everybody's questions. Let's get you all in the real estate business. And if you have any questions, reach out to me on private messenger on Facebook, or you can schedule that 15-minute meeting. If you're already out there investing, but you're just stuck, you just have a question, or you're trying to figure out how to proceed on a problem, you can also reach out to me. I'll help you get unstuck. I know you can do this, and I'm happy to help. So thank you all for joining today, and I look forward to seeing you on Facebook, and I'll be back here for my Facebook Live next week. Bye-bye.